Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you guys top 10 mistakes a lot of new Roblox developers make and how to fix them. So make sure you watch till the end to find out the biggest mistake and how to fix it. So at number 10, we have not planning your game. A lot of new developers start by throwing parts and scripts into studio without a plan. This will obviously lead to messy and broken games with no real direction on how to play the game. So now a quick fix is obviously write down your game ideas. What's the goal and who's the audience? And you can do this by either writing this down on a piece of paper, or you could even use online tools like Google Docs or Google Sheets or whatever you're comfortable using. Using mind maps to outline game mechanics is also a good way to avoid obvious bugs in the game. Alright, so number 9, we have using too many free models. Using free models might seem like a shortcut, but they always or usually contain hidden scripts, viruses, and unnecessary lag. Now, a quick fix for this is only use models from trusted creators in the creator marketplace. Now, obvious example is Roblox, but you could also use other use your own research and find other creators that are verified. Also, every time if you are going to use free models, make sure you always check for hidden scripts. Open the model and try to understand if there's anything suspicious inside of the script, so you're not getting hacked. Another way to avoid using free models is just learn basic modeling. It's pretty easy and you'll be able to create simple assets for yourself. Alright, so at number 8, we have not optimizing your game. I know we've all played that one game on Roblox that lags every few seconds. This is because of unoptimized scripts, too many parts, and unnecessary loops that can cause major lag. Alright, so to fix this, a quick way is use meshes instead of unions to reduce the lag. Also remove unnecessary loops in scripts like the while true do loops. Mostly those are the main ones. Another one is removing unnecessary loops in the scripts. The main one is while true do loops. Pretty straightforward. Those are mainly used, but try not to use them if it's not necessary. Alright, so at number 7, we have ignoring mobile players. Now, quick fact: over 75% of Roblox players are actually on mobile. So if your UI and controls aren't mobile friendly, you're losing a huge player base. And so to fix this, use UI size constraints to scale your UI properly for all devices. Another way is also test your game on mobile devices, so on your own phone or your mom's phone or your brother's phone, I don't know, before releasing, and make sure you also have touch friendly buttons instead of relying on keyboard inputs. Now, if you want to know how to make or how to scale your UI properly for mobile, make sure to go check out this video on the cards on the top right corner. Alright, so number 6, we have bad monetization strategy. If your game is pay to win or forces players to buy items just to progress, 100% just quit. Now, to fix this is obviously offer fair game passes. If you're offering VIP game passes, make sure you're also offering VIP perks such as maybe name tags, items, or maybe XP boosts, or just bonuses in cash or in-game money. Alright, so at number 5, we have poor UI design. UI is one of the first things that players notice. If it's ugly, unreadable, or too complex, players aren't going to stick around. So make sure your UI is clean and simple. Usually use maybe a maximum of 2 or 3 colors. If there's too many colors, if it's too flashy, people are just gonna get distracted. It's gonna be really distracting from the actual game. And also add smooth animations to UI elements for a better looking UI in general. Alright, so at number 4, we have not using version control. If your studio crashes, hours of progress is lost. Make sure without version control, one mistake can destroy your entire project. So make sure you have Team Create. If you're using Team Create, make sure you have it for cloud backups too. Also, make sure you save multiple versions of your game locally. And you can also use websites like GitHub if you're working with external scripts. That way, if your studio does crash, all your work won't be lost. So now we're down to the top 3 mistakes. At number 3, we have ignoring feedback. If you don't listen to your feedback, your game won't improve. Pretty straightforward. So to fix this is ask players for feedback either on Discord or social media. You can do this by creating a social media account and linking it to the Roblox game. You can also use analytic tools to track where players quit, and you can also update your game based on community suggestions. Alright, so number 2, we have bad scripting practices. Again, pretty straightforward. Messy scripts cause bugs, lags, and errors, and all these 3 things will obviously lead players to quit the game. So now to fix this, use remote events for efficient communication, avoid infinite loops unless necessary, and write clean and readable code with comments. That way, if you do end up changing something, you'll know where to look. Alright, so at number 1, we have giving up too soon. Many developers quit after their first game fails, but obviously success takes time. So now to fix this, start small. Make a simple game first. Maybe make another one. Make a few simple games, and then from there, you learn from the mistakes and improve. The whole idea of this is just to stay motivated, just don't give up. Alright, so that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what mistakes you think that you make a lot, and comment down in the section below if you also want to see similar tip videos like this in the future. And that's it for this video. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.